What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. I have flu, so don't mind me. I look pretty rough, but I'm just a little guy in the corner of the screen. So we're sitting at 0.01845. Beautiful bounce yesterday. It's following our wave counts perfectly in the Discord. We're in 2 or 3 trades right now. Our Ethereum trade just hit our TP2. Made like 250% gain on only a 2x leverage trade. You can have completely free access to my trading group at the end of the video. 0.018 up 8% in the last 24 hours. Market cap 840 million, 24-hour volume 154 million. So we're up. I'm updating my Discord daily, except on weekends, although I did update a bit today. So perfectly bounced, perfectly retraced into our wave 2 pullback zone. And now we're seeing a nice bounce to the upside. This is a 4-hour chart, so all you do is take that fib retracement from the bottom of wave 1 to the top to the bottom of wave 2. This is the most accurate way to predict the market, in my opinion, Elliott wave theory. And then you would target the 161.8 for the wave 3. It's not perfect, nothing is. It can be invalidated like any other TA. But out of all the technical analysis strategies that I've used, Elliott wave is far superior. So we'll look for a push up towards 0.02498 in the wave 3. And then of course, if we zoom out for our larger wave count here, off the bear market low, wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, looking to push up into 3 towards that 3-cent target. If we look here, this is the daily chart. We are holding that bullish cross. We're back above those daily EMAs, beautiful double bottom. So once we break that neckline, that's when we can start seeing a nice push to the upside. That will take us all the way towards about 0.046. All right, gang, that's what we're looking at. Weekly chart. I know we're still under the EMAs, so we're just getting back above the 20. That's good. So we want to get back above the 55 as well. On the weekly, see the bullish cross. Buy and go to the beach signal basically signifies a bull market is starting. Obviously, Gala is still way down at the lows, but I do think that will change quickly. I'm looking for 30 to 60 cents in the bull run. I think it's very possible. I know there's a lot of FUD around Gala, but just wait and see, guys. It will melt your brain. All right, we're in a few trades right now. We just hit our TP2 on our Ethereum trade. Completely free access to my trade signals with a quick sign up to BITUNIX. There's no strings attached. Just sign up, send me an email. That's it. And then I will send you the link. As you can see, here's our trade on hit our TP2 on Ethereum. And it was a 2x, almost 300% gain on only a 2x trade, which is insane. All right, guys, my crypto analysis on all your favorite coins, including Gala. Yours free, definitely the best deal on YouTube, in my opinion. All you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX, no strings attached, send me an email, that's it. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.